And new tonight, the YMCA is fighting back against a lawsuit accusing a Y counselor of raping and impregnating a girl. News 4's Al Vaughters first broke this story. He joins us now with an update. Al.
Jackie, criminal charges have been filed against the teenager accused of raping an 11-year-old girl at YMCA summer camp last year. That girl is now a 12-year-old mother, and her attorney is suing the Y for gross neglect. But attorneys for the YMCA say not so fast. Police have charged 18-year-old Martell Jones, a camp counselor at the Ellicott Maston YMCA last summer, with raping one of the campers on July 16th. That girl, known in court papers as Jane Doe, is now a 12-year-old mother, and her attorney claims Jones is the father and is suing the YMCA for gross neglect.
They did their own internal investigation and chose to believe the perpetrator, or who claimed at the time that nothing happened, rather than the person who witnessed it.
But in court papers, an attorney for the YMCA of Greater Buffalo paints an entirely different picture. The YMCA's attorney contends immediately after the July 16th incident, Ellicott Maston's director and another staff member interviewed Jane Doe, and she told them there was no sexual encounter. 3 days later, the girl and her mother moved to North Carolina, but returned in the spring after the baby was born. The YMCA also claims Jane Doe and her mother told another staffer at the Y the baby's father is a 14-year-old boy she met in North Carolina. Because of so many discrepancies, attorneys for the Y want to take a look at the girl's Facebook page and have obtained a restraining order, barring any changes or deletions to the page until they can review all present and past entries. Martell Jones was arrested in April, and police say he confessed to sexually molesting the girl during Y summer camp. The YMCA's attorney, Michael Applebaum of Buffalo, wouldn't go on camera, but did confirm the information in our report. John Elmore, the girl's attorney, did challenge some of the Y's assertions, accusing their attorney of trying to blame the victim. A state judge has set a hearing date on this lawsuit for next Wednesday afternoon. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5:30.